Just a second while I tell the DJ turn up the bass.
All American. First team, bitch. Yeah. I got a fake ID and a checklist. It goes never meet a girl on Craigslist, and never spend your money on a necklace. 3 square meals, homie, gotta have breakfast. Real shit, she be paying for the date. I be on my Will Smith, enemy estate. Keep my friends close, keep my enemies away. Like they own repellent.
Let's do this.
I'm the two shit that just piss them off. Say you never heard me, it's yo lost. They biting on my freestyle. They tell me make my money frontin' on that weed style. I tell them I be too old for it, and I gave my brother my ID. She independent, bet these bitches never find me. I hope they don't find him though, cause they be knocking on my door, now they looking through my window. Tell me what you really want from me. Point blank, no discussion. Close mouth, ow. I'll give it to you, no interruption. And tell me one time that you want me. I promise that I won't say nothing. Shut it up, shut it up. I'll give it to you, no interruption. And you're home, oh. On the phone, all alone, I'll give it to you, no interruption. In your house, on the couch, name the time and the place and the function. I'll give it to you, no interruption. Talking money, I don't really give a F, man. I got power like a motherfucking X-Man. Married to the game, but I'd rather be the best man. You be on the same shit all day. S-Pen, brand new kicks while you shopping at a Payless. Do it on my first take, skipping all the Payless. See me, you could be me, but I end up on the A-list. I'm chilling with Rihanna in the KKK mans. I'm just kidding, I'm a white kid. Hi kids, Anderson Silva, I hit him with the high kicks. Never been really, you nothing but a sidekick. Oh, you want
ain't you proud of me? Told you I have a bigger salary. Mama, ain't you proud of me? I'm so high up, what's gravity? Yeah, mama, I told you I'd do it, but you the only one that ever really knew it. Yeah, mama, you gotta say wow. Look at your son right now. Yeah, mama, you gotta say wow. Look up in the sky, you see that difference on the cloud. And at the end of the day, I just gotta see you smile. Even if it means turning your cloud into an owl. Yeah, it don't compare to the wisdom that you've given. So watch out for these money, help you feeling fast women. Damn, cause these some insane hoes. They try to get to the goal. At the end of the rainbow, they knocking at my door. I'm looking through the peepholes, scared to open, cause life is full of painful egos. Blood sucking motherfuckers, humans can be mosquitoes. Damn, it's real. And if you was here from the start, you remain till them credits fall. I promise mama I get you a better credit score. I got this shit you love, I never let you go. Appreciate it to the one, just thought I'd let you know. Mama, ain't you proud of me? Told you I have a bigger salary. Mama, ain't you proud of me? I'm so high up, what's gravity? Yeah, mama, I told you I'd do it, but you the only one that ever really knew it. Yeah, mama, you gotta say wow. Look at your son right now. Brought me in a swirl among heavy circumstances. 16 years later, and we still standing. We were broke, Friday while they laughing at me. All I had was white teeth, wasn't shaking, I laugh and tapping. Now look at me, mammy, this boy's living out his dreams. Like I'm up in the studio, rapping in my jammies. In the future, wanna see you clapping at the Grammys. Feet up, tree to tree, relaxing in a hammock. See, I'm a cash addict, so check my mathematics. I get it, I spin it, you said that's a bad habit. But if you see something you like, you gotta grab it. Yeah, and I'm all about them things. No Hampton Bay, ain't gon' stop until you get a Hampton state. So pick a place on the map and just can't wait. So when my wife has a son, I hope that man is safe. Mama, ain't you proud of me? Told you I have a bigger salary. Mama, ain't you proud of me? I'm so high up, what's gravity? Yeah, mama, I told you I'd do it, but you the only one that ever really knew it. Yeah, mama, you gotta say wow. Look at your son right